presenting the Ram 2020 1500 Rebelle. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: diamond black crystal pearl coat, diamond black crystal pearl coat, monotone paint, spray and bud liner, bed utility group included, 4 adjustable cargo tie-down hooks, pickup box sliding deployable bed step, Ram box cargo management system, black appearance package included, black front bumper with black plate, black exterior truck badging, black outline mustache grille texture, 3 monotone paint instrument cluster theme, 5 Rebel 2 wheels, 18-inch x 8.0 inches gloss black, black headlamp bezels, body color, door handles, Ram grill badge, black, 9 amplified speakers with subwoofer, and gross vehicle weight, 100 pounds. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading.